To make our yams, we're going to first start by putting 4 yams into an oven on a baking sheet. We're going to roast them whole at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This will normally take around 45 minutes or until they're dripping with a little bit of this gooey, sappy liquid. And once that is done, then let them cool, and then we're going to scoop out the flesh or the more soft part. We're going to take the skin off of our yams, place the inside into a blender or into a bowl to mash. We're going to whip it really finely so it's nice and creamy and soft and all the chunks are out of the way. Alright, so now we're going to pour in our orange juice and soy milk. We're doing about 1/3 cup of each, depending on how big your yams are and how much liquid you need to blend it or mash your yams. Here's an optional thing, you can add some cinnamon or maple syrup, but that depends on how sweet your yams are. Here I opted out for that, but that is definitely a fun thing to add along with some salt. Okay, so now we're going to rebake our yams again. We're going to put into a baking sheet. I like to top mine with some pecans, but this is completely optional. And we're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes, just until it's nice and warm. However, that is all for this recipe. I hope you liked it, and please put a thumbs up. Thank you and enjoy.